Hey guys, I got a big surprise for you. It's me, Michael. That's it, that's the surprise. That's just me. Right. Top offers. This month, we've got a bunch of really high converting digital offers in niches like spirituality, woodworking, eViz. I don't even know what it is, but these products are smashing records right now, and you gotta check these out. So without further ado, let's do it. So at number 5, we got moon reading. It's an interactive astrology offer with a personalized reading. Yeah, you read that right, or they read it right, or did they read me? I'm a Virgo. This turns the traditional VSL with stock footage on its head. If you've become a moon reading affiliate, you've had access to quality email swipes and graphics. You can earn up to $84 per sale with a total cart value of even more, and with 75% commissions across the board, including with those upsells sold. It's amazing. Overall, this product is fantastic to promote for social audiences, especially TikTok and Instagram, email lists, and if you have that organic SEO content-based pages. You can get whitelisted for 75% commissions on their affiliate tools page today. So let's talk about the EPCs on this sucker. We got an EPC of 44 cents, an average payout value of $26.16, and a hop conversion rate of 1.67%. And if you're thinking, oh, that's low, well, you're probably not in the astrology game and don't know how good that is. For a lot of even just lead gen, when you're talking about astrology, getting EPCs of 40 cents to 60 cents, that's killer. And you're getting that on the sale. And so that now you are getting a better customer, and you know that person can come back to purchase over and over again, especially if there are some of these products that have rebels. So go, promote it, test it. It's a great spirituality offer. At number 4, we got VinCheckup, which is a digital software and services product with a modest $10 average payout, but a whopping 7.5% conversion rate, which is, woo, killer. It offers 75% commissions and low refunds as well. And the actual product is pretty simple and super helpful for anyone looking for a comprehensive vehicle history report. It covers everything from title info, previous accidents, records of sales, lemon checks, and much more. Who needs a Carfax when you got VinCheckup? So head to the marketplace, check out their stats, and grab your tracking link right now so you can get promoting. It has an EPC of 78 cents, an average payout value of $10.35, and a hop conversion rate, of 7.52%. Now this one is going to work very much on the same influencer-based organic setup. But if you have the dialed in traffic for these types of things, or the audience that is going to be looking for these types of things, so if you're looking for people 35 and above who are looking for a used car, this is amazing. So go, promote it. Awesome, clean offer. Do you want some help on how to promote these great offers? Well, be sure to check out the State of Media podcast right now, where I'm pointing, where people way smarter than me, hey, who wrote that, are helping people to know the state of media. I mean, I know the state of media. I've heard of media before. Like media, like I know the word. You no, don't come at me. I know what media means. Just because I don't have a dictionary in front of me, Jeff, doesn't mean I don't know what media is. Media is like me, dia. Click this link, Jeff. Okay? Click it. Actually click it, you'll learn a lot more. Okay, let's get back to the offers. At number 3, we got the MoneyWave. If we're gonna get totally tubular and gnarly, bruh, it's a totally performing offer that's taken the market by storm, bruh. We're gonna shred that gnar and these high sky conversions and lucrative EPCs with the digital product, all about sound wave technology unlocks and unlocking your inner genius. We really gotta get in there in that tube and really just gotta be gnarling, shredding, and just really on that fresh pow pow. You know what I'm saying? In other words, it makes you smart. And if you didn't get it from all my terrible surfing and snowboarding jargon, it's gonna take you back to school. So, the MoneyWave affiliate offer features quality email swipes, optional whitelisting for higher commissions, and with a current average payout of $50, you gotta give it a try. So go to their affiliate tools page right now to get started. It has an EPC of 39 cents, an average payout value of $49.96, and a hop conversion rate of 0.78%. It fits more in, I would say, like a manifestation category, but it still is amazing. It's killing it. Go promote it. So at number 2, we have the Genius Wave and the Billionaire Brainwave. 2 for 1. Thought you'd like this twofer. Are ties allowed in the top offers? I don't know, but I'm allowing it. So coming from the same top seller, different from the team behind the MoneyWave product I just talked about, we have the Genius Wave and Billionaire Brainwave. Once again, kind of in that manifestation niche. These are 2 super solid digital offers in that niche that are absolutely crushing it on the ClickBank marketplace right now. The numbers are super impressive and the average order values hovering around $70 for both. It's amazing. The gravity scores here are also off the charts for a digital offer, which means hundreds of affiliates are finding success riding all these waves. Getting gnarly, brah. So, stats for the Genius Wave are an EPC of 51 cents, an average payout value of $47.96, and a hop conversion rate of 1.07%. And for the Billionaire Brainwave, their EPC is 72 cents, an average payout value of $51.79, and a hop conversion rate of 1.39%. To summarize all of that, they're doing amazing. So much so that they're right on that edge of, if you are in paid media and the CPCs and CPMs drop enough, you could actually be promoting these on paid media traffic, which is amazing for a manifestation offer. It has to be the right conditions, of course. You know, you got to check out them waves. You got to look at what's in the horizon. You don't want to be going during the stormy season. You don't want to be catching too gnarly of waves and get caught up and be thrown off on the shore. But, and I swear, I'm going to kill it with no more of the metaphors on that. But it is they're great offers. So go, affiliate tools page, go test it, try them out. Enjoy. Here we go. The best of the rest, the product for September is Ted's Woodworking. Again, come on, get your prize, Ted. Come on, come right down. Come right down. No, we have Ted coming right through that door. Come on, Ted. Come on. Oh my God. No, there's no Ted. Ted's not coming. But this is a classic lower ticket digital offer on ClickBank, and it's seeing a big resurgence on the marketplace in 2024. The product has a compelling hook of 16,000 woodworking plans along with incredible longevity on our marketplace. I'm pretty sure it's more than 12 years old now, and it's still doing great. And it does great on paid media, it does it on great SEO, it does it on influencer, it just works great. And do you think it might be a great offer for you to test after hearing that? Yeah. So just visit ClickBank's marketplace and give it a look. And at the moment, email marketers, like I said, Facebook media buyers, native ad buyers, influencers, SEO, content publishers, they're having success with it. Why? Because it's an insane product. It just works. People love wood. They love just, they do. But they also like woodworking. And so let's just talk about those stats of why it works. It has an EPC of $1.71. It has an average payout value of $73.82. And it has a hop conversion rate of 2.31%. Damn. It just kills it in the non-Nutra space. It is a great offer. And if you think that's a great offer, we got a bonus with Numerologist. While Numerologist isn't technically on the list of top offers this month, I just want to throw it in because it's just a classic performer that is just always hanging just outside our top 5 that I just feel like we got to tell you about it. It's in the spirituality niche. In fact, while Numerologist's average payout to affiliates is on the lower side, it is a fantastic first product in the spirituality niche to test and learn with because it just converts. And before promoting a higher payout like some of these other ones, and that are going to have a lower conversion rate, this one is great to just learn from and get your footing on. And the people behind it, they're amazing. And they're always looking to update it with fresh content. It has an EPC of 23 cents, an average payout value of $11.59, and it has a hop conversion rate of 1.95%. It converts. It's great. And if you do any content publishing, you have a TikTok audience, an Instagram audience, YouTube, if you are an influencer and you are that person in front of the camera, and you are in the spirituality world of astrology, it's amazing. It converts, and it's a really great product. It's just really good. People really like it. So go test it and get that bonus. So hope you enjoyed this installment of the top 5 or 6 or 7 offers. I'm not really sure. I stopped counting. I never learned how to count. But those were the top non-Nutra offers on ClickBank for September. If we want to get it serious a little bit, zoom in, Dylan. Zoom in. Right here. Where's my camera? Where's my camera? Right here. Right here. There's my camera. Here's the thing. Making these videos is a lot of work, but I do it for a good reason. The likes. I thrive on them. I live off of them. Also subscribes. They've got me through some dark times, like when The Mandalorian was over and I didn't have anything to watch on TV, and I thought that was really the end. Is there going to be something for me? And the likes got me through it, and the comments. I live for them, especially people commenting on my shirt. It's the only thing that gets me through. So what are you going to do? Because I need you. I need you guys, all of you. I need you to like and press that subscribe button and to comment. See you next time. You guys have a good one. Go make some money, y'all.